Everyone, it's great to see you again at Wealthy Coin. This historic announcement provides the catalyst for Musk to launch the largest Shiba Inu boom to date. As of this writing, the second best meme coin is SHIB News today, which is an Ethereum-based initiative and part of the Shiba ecosystem. Along from being one of the few DeFi meme tokens to have maintained its relevance for so long, Shiba was also the first of its kind. It paved the way for other meme coins by becoming one of the first to hit the market. Capabilities of the D5 products and services like staking, liquidity pools, and acquisition loans are made available through the Shiba network. Elon Musk is going to be the subject of this video. Additionally, the network has recently announced the launch of its metaverse, which has sparked rumors about a pay-per-view system that lets users earn money while playing games. This historic proclamation sets in motion the largest Shiba Inu boom ever. To skip to the good stuff, if you like this video and want to see more expert analysis and Shiba Inu pricing predictions, subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. The video can now begin. As long as Shiba Inu keeps rising, the recent uptick in SHIB pricing probably wasn't an outlier. Despite the downturn, the SHIB price reached a new high of 0.151, a 64% rise after retesting the balance zone of 0.0082 to 0. But there was a huge profit-taking reaction to this move, together with a daily candlestick closing of 0.129, a 15% decrease. One of the most famous digital currencies in the world right now is Shiba Inu. There has always been doubt about Shiba's ability to make long-term investments. Many people view the token as a speculative asset because to its low utility and widespread belief that it is a meme coin. Consequently, Shiba rarely makes forecasts about the future of prices. If the market circumstances are favorable, this persistence in buying activity could lead to another surge in the Shiba Inu dog's price. Buyers are protecting the level, after all. Considering this, the most logical objective would be to reach the equal high at 0.189, which is about 39% from where we are now. When everything is going swimmingly for Shiba Inu, a break below the 0.118 support level will signal a possible downturn. The Shiba Inu price will then face two more significant levels of resistance. Two excellent places to book profits are at 0.199 and 0.211. Although buyers should exercise caution in light of this move, the bullish argument will be bolstered by a daily candlestick close below 0.103, which will indicate a lower low. This kind of thing can set off a chain reaction that causes the Shiba Inu price to plummet 18% and retest the 0.0082 support level. Despite the fact that the project's detractors have cast doubt on its viability in the long run, a large number of analysts have a positive and bullish stance on the token. By the end of 2030, according to Tech News' leading price projection, the token will have increased in value by more than 2,500%, reaching an average price of approximately 0.0000029591. But nobody can guarantee that SHIB will hit $1. The value of this cryptocurrency has increased by 112,948,181.000% since its debut in 2020. A falling trend line has been a solid support for the pair since November 2021, and the price level coincided with it. As an example, in May 2022, the Shiba Inu's price fell to the established trend line, but it then rallied 3 months later, recovering 100% of that loss. The SHIB Doge pair also had a 50% recovery in January 2022, which was much shorter than the previous year. Interestingly, the 0.2186-0.002536 range was attained by all of the SHIB and Doge's rebound moves, which aligns with their key upside goals, the 0.786-1 fib lines, which originate from the Fibonacci retracement graph constructed from the 0.00000006 swings, also fall within this range, where precedents are followed. Due to the modest height of the 0.899 swing, SHIB could have a quick bullish turnaround versus Doge once again. The daily relative strength index for the pair has hit a new low, suggesting that it is extremely oversold and that a recovery is imminent. Looking at how each of these MEM currencies has done against the dollar gives us further information on when the SHIB and Doge pairs might rally. Notably, when compared to the US dollar, the price of Dogecoin surged by almost 100%. $1 in October as investors assessed its chances of becoming deeply embedded in Twitter after Elon Musk's acquisition of the social media behemoth. Consequently, by the end of October, the daily RSI for Dogecoins had risen above 95, marking the most overbought level since April 2021. As of November 3rd, the coin is still technically overbought, which could lead to a price spike. In light of its current swings within the range of an ascending triangle, at the end of October, SHIB had made a profit of 10.5. On November 3rd, its relative strength index RSI was in the neutral 30 to 70 range, indicating less sell-side pressure in comparison to Doge. Even yet, a 10% 15% short-term price correction to 0.188 is still possible for the SHIB pairings. At the same time, an ascending triangle breakout can be triggered by a breach below 0.0000001089. A possible collapse to 0.00682 in Shiba Inu price might occur in the first quarter if there is a definitive breakdown and a 40% correction. In the event of such a breakout occurring during a downtrend, the price may fall to a level equal to the pattern's peak. In addition to being one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, Elon Musk is most known for developing the product architecture of Tesla. Both the cryptocurrency and automotive industries have been impacted by his ideas and initiatives. The guy whose real name is Dorian Nakamoto later denied an early Newsweek article's claims that it had discovered the true identity of the mysterious founder of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. In 2014, Musk initially brought up the topic of cryptocurrency in this way. He was skeptical of the technology back then. I suppose the investigation is ended now that Satoshi Nakamoto has been found. Over time, Musk's perspective on cryptocurrency has changed. When the year 2021 begins, on Twitter, he publicly backed the pioneering cryptocurrency Dogecoin. He quickly had another influence on Dogecoin after becoming Twitter CEO. A large quantity of the famous meme currency is being burnt while it waits for its share and release. The news broke today that the rate of share burn had accelerated by 260%. The on-chain statistics show that this rise occurred within the past 24 hours. The community allegedly sent the money to multiple inactive wallets. According to the site, there has been a 25,948% rise in the rate of SHIB removal from the circulating supply per S22M248144 over the last 24 hours. The announcement of Shiram's case, a Layer 2 solution, followed the action, and many are wondering if the two concepts are related. You Today highlighted the dramatic increase in circulation as they reported on the rising burn rate. Those Shiba Inu tokens are now sitting in horrible wallets, a place where they will never be spent or withdrawn. Compared to the previous day when 7 million meme tokens were sent to inactive wallets, the report notes a substantial increase. This is all for the time being. It all followed a blog post that stoked more speculation on Shiram's impending release. To view our most recent stuff, subscribe to the channel, share it, and give us a thumbs up. An update on the status of Shiram's development was provided in a blog post by Unification, the creator of SHIB Inu Layer 2. Those in the know are reportedly irritated by the news that the core team is nearly ready to release our guidance to the public in beta form. A prompt response is our best bet.